Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can go down to your search bar, type in PowerPoint, right click, and we'll want to click on Blank Presentation. So we can add, let me stretch this screen out so you guys can see. Give me one moment. So over here it shows you different design ideas you can do. You can click on one of these and it'll add it to your presentation. Or if you decide you would like to do something different, you can always right click and scroll down to change picture. You can do it from a file that you have saved on the computer. You can do it from an online resource. So if we just type in, let's see, ocean. Comes up with different pictures. Click on one. Then you press insert. And it's inserted to your background. After that, you can add your title. Put in oceans. And keeping them clean. You can also change your font by highlighting it and coming up to the top where your home tab is, right here, and then scrolling over, and it'll show you different fonts. You can click on it, you can change the size, you can also change the color. And you know, your bold, italics, underline, and standard. If you're done with this slide and you want to add another one, you go up here, make sure it's clicked on Home, select New Slide, and it comes up with no problem. You can also see in the background here, you can add a picture from the computer. That's why you have the computer icon. From the internet, you can add videos, graphs. You can also change the type of layout you have for the slide. So you right click, layout, and it gives you many different options. Click this one. This way you have two different areas. Put your title in. Ocean floors and shores. And right click on that. Let's add a photo. And just type in shores. See if anything come up. Yes. Let's click on this one. Then insert it. Keeping our shores and ocean floors clean. Recycle. Let me spell this wrong. Let's see. To see if it'll show up. There we go. And you know, if you have to spell check, you can always hover over the word, right click, and it'll give you different options. Then, when you're done and you're happy with your presentation, you can go up to File, Save As, and you click on wherever you want to save it at, on the PC or maybe like in your cloud. Once you're done with that, you're good to go. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.